Which is bigger? Cat, elephant, or mouse? Elephant. Which animal can fly? Dog, fish, or parrot? Parrot. What color is the sky? Blue, red, or green? Blue. Which one is a fruit? Onion, orange, or potato? Orange. What has 4 legs? Chair, fish, or bird? Chair. What color is a stop sign? Yellow, red, or green? Red. Which is faster? Turtle, bicycle, or car? Car. What is round? Ball, book, or triangle? Ball. Which one can you eat? Pencil, shoe, or pizza? Pizza. Which one can fly? Horse, plane, or truck? Plane. Which one is a shape? Circle, spoon, or tree? Circle. What animals lives in the water? Fish, cat, or bird? Fish. Which is used for writing? Spoon, pencil, or knife? Pencil. What do you wear on your feet? Gloves, cap, or shoes? Shoes. Which one is hot? Soup, ice cream, or juice? Soup. Which one is cold? Sun, ice, or fire? Ice. Which one can bounce? Ball, book, or chair? Ball. Which one has wheels? Cat, tree, or bicycle? Bicycle. Which one do you use to cut paper? Scissor, fork, or spoon? Scissor. Which one is a vegetable? Banana, grapes, or potato? Potato. What do you use to wash your hand? Sand, soap, or oil? Soap. Which one makes light? Lamp, book, or apple? Lamp. Which animal has wings? Dog, bird, or fish? Bird. Which one is used for drink? Glass, pillow, or knife? Glass. What do you use to tie your shoes? Shoelace, belt, or scarf? Shoelace. Which animal barks? Cow, donkey, or dog? Dog. Which animal gives milk? Cow, hen, or dog? Cow. Which one is a pet? Tree, rock, or cat? Cat. What do you use to make a call? Phone, remote, or TV? Phone.
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.